today? My name's Eric. As always, I want to thank you for coming by and checking out my video today. On this episode of Smo'King, I'm going to show you how to make pulled pork totchos. I always have a hard time pronouncing that. So basically it's a play on words with nachos, but instead of using corn chips, we use Tater Tots. And you know what, I've always liked Tater Tots. You know, I think it's funny, you know, the Napoleon Dynamite movie, you know, with the Tater Tots. I remember having them in high school, but I never really thought about them. But since moving to Wisconsin, Tater Tots are kind of a thing. You can get them with burgers and stuff at some of the different restaurant bars in the area. And they make a lot of casserole, or what they call Hotdish, out here with Tater Tots. So I thought I would try to make some pulled pork totchos, because I had this leftover pulled pork that I've froze and I made for winter time since it's nice and cold. This is something that you can kind of throw together inside. Takes not a long time, delicious meal. So stick around, guys. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. Let's get cooking. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is season these tater tots. Now, I bought the generic ones from my store. They don't call them tater tots, they call them potato rounds. And this is, let me see, 32-ounce bag. Now, I took a little olive oil, put it in the bottom of this bowl, not a whole lot. We just want a little bit of liquid in there to kind of make sure these tater tots get coated with some taco seasoning. So let me pour this in. I should also mention, preheat your oven to 425 degrees, okay? So, there they are. I have some regular store-bought taco seasoning, okay? And I'm just gonna kind of eye this. Just gonna put a little bit in here. We just want to do a little bit of a coating. So I got a glove on this hand. I put some olive oil. I don't want to put too much oil in there because I don't want them like super greasy. But I do want a little bit of liquid just to kind of coat these tater tots. All right, let's try a little bit more. Okay, keep mixing them. Might put a little more oil in these as well. Just give me a minute, guys. I think we're just about, it's maybe around half the package, 3/4 of the package. Just get it mixed well. Whoops. There you go, guys. I'm going to get a baking dish. We'll spread these out. I'll show you the next step. All right, here we are. They are nicely coated. Now, I just got a baking dish here. I lined it with aluminum foil. I'm going to dump out these coated taco flavored tater tots. And I'm just going to spread them out in a single layer, I guess I should say, not file. Okay. Kind of push them together here. Alright, so like I said, the oven is preheated to 425 degrees. We're going to cook these like 25 to 30 minutes. Halfway through the cooking time, I'm going to take them out and just kind of take a spatula and kind of flip them over. Okay, so into the oven, 425. We'll come back in 15 minutes. 15 minutes, just enough time to go get a beer. I'll meet you guys downside for a drink review, but here they are. Alright guys, we'll see you downstairs. Alright, time for a drink review. I'm having something from New Glarus Brewing Company, famous for only selling beer in Wisconsin. This one is called Scream IIPA, or a double IPA. This is 9% alcohol. This is the kind of thing I would hope Kugels would be able to brew. Something with a little bit more of a punch, a little bit more hoppy. But I haven't tried this, New Glarus. I'll give it a shot. This is my son Kyle.
Hello.
And he's having, let's see here, This one's called Lemmy Sparkling Lemonade, made with real lemon juice. Since 1939, Lemmy have a Lemmy. You say that, Kyle?
Lemmy have a Lemmy?
Lemmy have a Lemmy. There we go. I wonder if this was popular back in the day. A Lemmy lemonade. I like the bottle. Alright, let's open that one up for you. There we go. Alright. And I'm going to open up my new Glarus Scream Double IPA. Alright, let's see here. I can already smell some hops. I like it. Alright, let's see. Nice head. And I heard here they use over 4 pounds of hops per barrel for this thing. So, okay, that's what I'm talking about. Alright. How's that smell? Strong? Yeah, it smells like carbonated lemon. Okay. As always, guys, we appreciate you stopping by. Cheers. Alright, let's give this a taste, see what we think. Okay, wow, yeah. Hops off from the beginning, but there's a lot of fruit presence at the end. Yeah, citrus, like orange, pineapple. A little bit of piney to it, but very slight. But the sweetness balances the hop. It certainly doesn't taste like 9% alcohol, but boy, I like this. Alright guys, I'm going to enjoy this. Alright Cal, let me have a Lemmy.
I'm actually a little disappointed because it just tastes like every other lemonade, which I'm not a lemonade like connoisseur. I don't know much about lemonade, but it doesn't, I don't know, it tastes to me the same as every other lemonade. It's not that strong, it's maybe a little bit sweet, and it's just kind of, it's just a lemonade.
Oh, well, I was hoping for something a little bit better in the bottle and everything. Look,
yeah.
Since 1939, I thought this would be like the real,
yeah, it's just
the real deal.
It's the same as every other lemonade.
Well, there you go, guys. Anyway, I got those tater tots cooking in the oven. We'll probably just almost ready. After 15 minutes, we'll flip them over. I'll meet you guys upstairs. Meantime, cheers. Thanks for stopping by. Alright, it's been around 15 minutes. Take these out. We're just going to take like a spatula, guys. Just try to flip them around, stir them around. Try to make sure the other side gets a chance to get a little crispy. Alright, then I like to kind of push them together so they're all in one area, so it'll be easy to top with the toppings and the melted cheese and the pulled pork, just like so. So while I'm going to put these in for another 10-15 minutes, I'm going to heat up some beans, some pulled pork. Yeah. Back in the oven. Be back in a second. Alright, here they are. It's been around 25 minutes. Now we're going to put the rest of the coatings on here. So I heated up some black beans. You can also use refried beans. Oh, almost couldn't pronounce that right. We're just kind of trying to make these like nachos. So I've never made this before, so I'm kind of looking forward to it because I like tater tots, and I figure why not, you know? So we'll put a little bit of black beans in here. We don't have to go crazy. We just want a little bit of different taste, flavor profile. Now, the star of the show, some smoked pulled pork. I did a video where I cooked this. I did actually 4 pulled porks. It was around 33 pounds of pork to get through winter before the snow came. And I'll leave a link below, guys. You want to see that video. It's pretty cool. But smoked pulled pork freezes excellent. That's what this is. So we're just going to layer this out nicely. We don't want to put it too thick, but just enough to add that flavor. We're going to scoop this out on individual plates to enjoy when it comes out of the oven. Alright, you know what comes next, guys, right? Because, oh, here we go. Oven is preheated. You can also do a little light broil too towards the end to kind of melt the cheese. So I got some Wisconsin extra sharp cheddar cheese. I'm going to, this is This is kind of an end of a package, so we'll start with this. This also has, it looks like, New York and Vermont sharp cheeses as well. All right. Just like so. I'm going to put a little bit more because I'm going to put this back in the oven now, and we're just going to give it like another maybe 5-10 minutes just to allow this cheese to melt, allow everything to come together. Just like that, guys. All right, look at this. Wow. All right, fresh out of the oven, guys. Look at this. Woohoo! So now you can top this however you like. I'm going to put a little bit of raw onion, not a lot, just a little. We got like very finely diced raw onion. Okay. I got a little bit of diced up tomato. We want this to kind of give it a little bit of color, kind of like nachos, right? Look at this, guys. Wow. And then, you know, you got to kick up the color a little bit more. I'm going to do a little bit of green, chopped green onion. Just add that little kind of greenish color to it, and also adds to the flavor. All right, look at this. I'm actually excited to try this. And then we're going to put right in the center a big dollop of sour cream that you can kind of scoop on your individual plate. Look at that, guys. There we go, guys. Pulled pork Totchos. I'm still not used to saying that, guys. I'm here with my family, my wife Monica, my son Kyle.
Hi.
Hello.
All right, I scooped some out in a little bowl here with a little bit of sour cream, tomatoes, the toppings. All right, let's give this a sample.
It smells good.
Totchos. I've never had totchos ever.
I like it. I'm just trying to process how this like tastes to me. It's like,
Gives me a little bit of a loaded baked potato vibe.
but then nachos
With
at
the
the
sour
same
cream.
time. It's
Oh, wait,
weird.
hang on. That first bite didn't have any of that smoked pulled pork.
I need to put salsa on here.
Oh, I had to put sauce on there, sure, yeah.
It's good.
What do you think, Kyle? You taste the pulled pork?
Yeah, it's good.
I like it. It's a win. This is good game day like eats.
Yeah. Easy.
Yeah.
Most of you guys probably have all these ingredients. Just buy a bag of the frozen tater tots, or what do they call these? Potato rounds?
Well, yeah, it's just their brand.
The
But
generic brand.
tater tots. Same thing. No, this is good.
Definitely give this a try, guys. I would highly recommend it. It's good. I mean, it's kind of a little cheese ball, but
Not really.
it's kind of Wisconsin Hotdish style, right? Like I say.
Hey, when it's like 0 degrees outside right now, this is comfort food too. And game day food, which it's game day. So, it's a win-win.
As always, guys, I appreciate you stopping by. If you liked the video, hit the like button. The logo on my shirt here is the logo on the bottom of the screen. If you click on that, it allows you to subscribe to my channel. Please do that. Really helps my channel grow. And I'll leave a link above and below to my website, ericsmokingbbq.com. That's where I feature all my videos, have pictures, the whole bit.
This is good.
Thanks again for stopping by, guys. I appreciate it. Ooh, I've just got a big dose of that taco seasoning.
It's
That
good.
adds a little bit of flavor to it.
You did the low sodium, right? That's key, because if you did the whole full sodium taco seasoning, it would be too salty.
No, it's salty enough.
I'm
Don't-
glad you stuck with that.
Don't put any salt on.
Low sodium. It's good.
Alright, guys, we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.